Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again on this good old Thursday. We made it. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And we got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. But you guys can get one at low cost. Click on the links down below. Give them a try. And we shall see what they send us. Found my scissors. Oh yeah. Happy camper. Oh, I know what this is. This is coming from Naipo. Bada boom. We got some shock treatment therapy, low frequency. These are really cool. Put them on your back, your sides, your arms, shoulders, ankles. Give you a good zap. Alright. Where do we open this from? We slide to the right. Actually, we don't need that anymore. So let's cut it open. Somehow. Ah, there we go. Well, almost had it. Dang. But check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. Get these at below cost. Great for Mother's Day. Get that in time. I think it's like what, May 15th, somewhere around there. I forget. There we go. The pile. Oh, we got the shockers. Kind of looks like earbuds. Boom, boom. Whoa, everything. Alright, comes with batteries. Cool. That's a bonus. There's the pads. You put it on your body. I think this is like a holder. More pads. So we got 2 sets. Boom. Get one of these. Batteries. Get this fancy dancy one. Alright. Let's get this open. Here we go. Nice and easy. Definitely good be for a good Father's Day gift. Oh, jeez. Also, so, oh, nothing damaged. Good deal. There we go. Pop those open. Shrink wrap pretty good. Oh. Alright. There we go. Outline. Got it. Oops. Here you go. And this way. Here we go. At this way. Bada boom. Easy peasy. Got them on. So you might want to stock up on some batteries. You can always get them on Amazon also. Power. Ooh. There's a timer. You can set how long. Pressure. Oops. Not sure what that is. Zapper. Shut it off. I don't want to get zapped. I'll plug these things in. You know what I mean? Definitely something useful when you're getting older. A lot of typing, put it on your hands. Might help some arthritis out. Boom. Plug it in. Boom. Kind of like that. Plug number 2 in. Kind of like that. Keep them separated like that. Now we got the pads. Come on. extra. Okay. Whoops. Sounds like a gel. Put these on like that. Okay, see? It's like a gel type. Kind of like a slime. Ooh. That's a good thing you get extra ones, so that's always cool. Good thing to have. That's a good shot though. There we go, nice and easy. That pull, there it is. Oh, there's okay. I'm only gonna do 2 right now. This will show a little small demo. Hopefully, I don't get shocked too bad. Switch it on. Oh boy. God, it feels cold. Oh boy. 10 minutes. Whoa. I feel it. You do 5, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 5. Pretty cool. So check them out, YouTubers. Naipo on Amazon Prime. You guys have a good one. Be safe. And I'll see you. See, that wasn't bad. It don't hurt. Cool. I hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. If not, see you this weekend. See ya.